No, I'm good. Okay.
Good, keep doing it. Touch things, see, explore things, and there you go. Explore the whole above you, maybe below you on the ground in the street, maybe where there's always magazines and brochures and flyers and things that they're giving away, free tickets, coupons. There you go. Yeah, see the debris that's piling now as you move forward. See the things above you. Yeah, maybe hear things behind you, Anna. The street sounds, a siren, there's traffic, might be people. Like, show us that. Perfect, you're doing a great job. Keep doing it. For the next 15 seconds, now I want you to take glances at each other. Take glances at each other so that you know exactly what the other actor is doing. The whole point of this is just to see what the other actor is doing. Right? Just so you can see what they have established. All right, and when you're ready, don't worry, don't push this. When you're ready, begin to add dialogue.
Since when did you get a job here? Connor, since when did you get a job here? You know you're supposed to be focusing on your schoolwork, Connor. Mom would freak if she knew that you had a job here.
Mom would freak if she knew. If she knew you were out here this late at night.
Nice. Keep it out there. Say your characters.
Well,
Stay
I'm older than you, so I have a later curfew. You wouldn't know that, though. You never pay attention. You're too busy going off with your friends and skateboarding in the park.
At least I have a job.
Go back to your area, and you could talk and go
I
back
need
to
to
that
keep
window.
working. Stop bothering me.
Go back to that poster you're reading. Yeah. You could still talk and look at the poster.
You know, I think I'm going to tell Mom that you're working here.
Okay, I already told her. I mean, she gave me rides, so.
For the reality of this, she doesn't know.
Oh, she
It's
doesn't?
yes, and the Golden Rule of Improv, she does not know.
Oh, okay.
Continue.
Okay. She ought to know.
She told me that she's going to make you quit, so you might as well just quit now anyway.
Doesn't pay well anyway.
Then why are you working here?
Freeze. Freeze. This is it. You got all stay frozen, same character. Don't change. Stay where you're at. Everything you've established is going to remain. You have all the characters. You're not going to add anything new. What's going to happen is that your response that you were just going to say in dialogue, you're going to do it to the duet. You're going to start this. You're not going to respond. I'll coach you when to. Molly's going to give you some kind of ballad rhythm, and you're just going to wait all the time. Connor, you're going to respond as if this is the beginning of your duet. You can go back to your action that you were thinking that.
At least it pays. Times have been tough. Working in this broken shop of horror. Making coffee for useless patrons. They don't even tip. I hated coffee. You knew that since I was young. I picked up a cup, thought it was hot chocolate. I was wrong.
But she's going to respond now. Take all the time, man.
$500 in cash.
cup while you're at it. And maybe a little bit of chocolate syrup on top too.
Blackout. Put your hands together.